Hey guys, welcome back to another Queen Form video. In today's video, we're talking about Visible Wireless. Yes, guys, another good video for Visible Wireless. Visible Wireless is a known prepaid carrier that is owned by Verizon and uses Verizon's network. It was Visible by Verizon, Visible Wireless. Now it's called Visible by Verizon, but a lot of people just call it Visible. But let's get into today's deals, guys. As you guys know, the new Samsung Galaxy S25 series just launched not too long ago. And today's video, I'm going to show you how to get some discounts on it thanks to Visible Wireless. And remember, this is a prepaid carrier. Most discounts, you have to be on a postpaid carrier to get anything really good. But Visible Wireless says, hey, we're prepaid. We got you this time. So if you scroll down a little bit, guys, you will see this promotion. And there it is. Visible Plus saving you up to $400 on the latest Samsung phones. Purchase a Visible Plus annual plan when you join and save up to $400 on select new Samsung Galaxy S25 series phones. Use code GALAXY at checkout. So there's some speculations or some rules that we need to meet before, of course, you can get this discount of $400. So remember, guys, Visible Plus is their more expensive plan. There's only two plans. There's a Visible and then Visible Plus plan. Of course, that's the one I have. I have the Plus plan. Gives you all priority data on the network, HD streaming now, and hotspot. And we'll go into that in just a little bit. But remember, basically it says, yes, you can save $400 off a Samsung S25 phone, but you do have to buy, it says right here, the annual plan. So remember, it is the annual plan. So let's get into it. It says new members. So you have to be a new member. So you have to be joining Visible. New members qualify to receive up to $400 off select Samsung devices with the purchase of a Visible Plus annual plan. Promo code Galaxy required at checkout. Don't forget to put in that promo code. If not, you will not get this, and then while supplies last. So 4 steps. New member. Select an eligible Samsung device for purchase. Select the Visible Plus annual plan. Enter promo Galaxy on the My Bag screen and complete checkout. Set up your SIM and activate your device when you get it. This offer does end in about a month from the making of this video. So it does end on March 10th, 2025, subject to change. So there it is, guys. Whoops. Let's read a little bit more into it. It says new members qualify and receive $200 off the Samsung Galaxy S25. So here you go. So new members, guys, so with this promo, and it depends on the phone you get. So $200 off the 25, $300 off the S25 Plus, and $400 off the S25 Ultra. So 2, 3, 4, and of course small, medium, large. Just depends on which phone you get, but of course it also goes off the price of the phone. Purchase of the eligibility is subject to change. Members joining Visible via the gifting program do not qualify. The Visible Plus annual plan is $395 a year. Will be charged at checkout while the year of service starts an active of the service. So if you think about it, guys, you're basically getting a free, another way they could have phrased it is you can get almost a free year of service. Because the annual plan costs $395, you're getting $400 off the phone. So technically, if you think about it, the phone, let's say, is $1,200 or $1,300, where the original price is, but you're getting a free year service. They could have worded that way, but I think people like seeing save $400. So really, are you getting $400 off the phone? Technically, yes, but remember, you have to purchase a year's worth of service, which is not bad at all because you're getting, like I said, a whole year of service technically. So let's go ahead and shop here. And here it is, the S25 Ultra. As you can see, there's 27 days left, and it does say right here, join the Visible Plus annual plan, get $400 off with code Galaxy. No trade-in required. This phone is $1,300. It's the 256 gigs. Remember, Visible does lock their phones for the first, I believe, 60 days. After 60 days, the phone does get unlocked, as long as it's not, subject to like fraud or anything like that. You can finance it through Affirm, so the phone is $36 a month. Or you could pay today, like I said, it's $1,300. You can add insurance, and if you want to trade a device, it does not require a trade-in for this, but if you do want to trade in a phone, you can to get some maybe discounts off of the annual thing. So here's the annual plan. Of course, remember, you need the Visible Plus, not the regular Visible plan. Just be wary about that. Right now, it's currently on sale, so you do get premium. I'm gonna show you the full details on this plan. Whoops. So here you go. So with the premium plan, guys, like I said, this is the one I totally 100% recommend. You do get 5G ultra wideband. You do get 50 gigs of premium data on Verizon's 5G/4G LTE network. It does block high risk spam calls. Saves $10 a month on visible Verizon's home internet. Smartwatch service is included, guys. That's a $10 service for free. Up to 720 HD video streaming. You do get unlimited hotspot. It does go towards your 50 gigs of premium allotment. But after the 50 gigs, it does not mean you don't have any more data. It just means that your speeds may be temporarily slowed down if you're in an area that's congested with Verizon customers. So your speeds will slow down. Once you leave that area, your speeds will go back up. International, you do get unlimited talk text to Mexico and Canada, unlimited talk text, and 2 gigs of data per day in Mexico and Canada. Calling to 30 plus countries and unlimited texting to 200 plus, and 1 global pass per month. So overall, I think this is a really good deal. Like I said, you're basically getting the phone, let's say in full price, but you're getting years worth of service. Or technically, you could just say you're saying $400. Same thing, basically thing. So thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Short video today, but a lot more coming your way. Let me know if you're thinking about Visible. Visible is a really good service provider. That's one of the ones I use personally. So I can say it's good. So thanks so much.